everyone, it's Kartika from Craveable Savor. Hope you all are doing well. And today we are making Makhni style pasta, and it is unbelievably easy and a unique pasta recipe than your regular red sauce or white sauce pasta. So let's start to give our pasta a desi tadka. For boiling pasta, we will heat up the water in a pot. Then add some salt to the water. Once the water starts boiling, we will add pasta in it. Now wait till pasta boils for about 15 minutes. Till then we will start with our makhni sauce. We will heat up another pan, add 2 spoons of oil, add 1 spoon butter. Then we will add our whole spices, 1 bay leaf, 2 cloves, 2 green cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 spoon cumin seeds. Once the spices starts leaving its aroma, add 8 to 10 cashew. Along with this, we will add a roughly chopped medium-sized onion. To soften the onion quickly, we will add little salt. Once the onion go translucent, we will remove all the whole spices. Now let's add 1 spoon of red chili powder, 1 spoon garam masala, 2 spoon roughly chopped ginger garlic. After sauteing it for a minute, time to add 3 roughly chopped tomatoes. We will cook the tomato until it starts leaving its oil, which will take about 5 minutes, and stir it constantly during this time. Add 200 to 250 ml of water and cook for next few minutes in slow flame. Our pasta is also done now. We will strain our pasta under cold water and keep it aside. After few minutes, we will add kasuri methi in our makhani sauce. 2 to 3 spoon cream. Mix it well for about 2 minutes. Add the makhni sauce in a grinder mixture to form a smooth paste. So just be careful before you start the blending process. Your mixture should be completely cool before churning, or else you might end up like this and it will be a mess. So churn it into a smooth paste. To bring pasta and makhni sauce together, add 1 spoon butter in a heating pan. Along with that, add 1 spoon oil. Add 1 spoon of all-purpose flour or maida. Start stirring and add milk gradually. Once it becomes thick, add the makhani sauce. Mix it well with the thick white sauce paste and remove all the lumps properly. Add semi-cooked and roughly chopped capsicum. Add boiled and semi-cooked corns. Add some cheese. Our sauce is ready, and now it's time to add our pasta. Mix it gently and add some oregano. At this stage, you can add paprika powder too. I didn't want it to be spicy, so I left it. Lastly, add some chopped coriander leaves, and it's ready to serve. Hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to like and share. Try out this amazing pasta and don't forget to tag Craveable Savor. Thanks for watching and take care.